Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Farmers Insurance Bill Pay through online portal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. Type in the URL for the Farmers Insurance website and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access the customer portal. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account, providing the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. In the billing section, look for the Bill Pay option. Click on the Bill Pay link to enter the payment platform. You will see your current bill and the payment options available. Choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card or direct bank transfer. Enter the required payment details accurately. Review the payment information to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Submit Payment button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your payment was successful. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation receipt of your transaction. For future reference, you can save your payment method in the account settings. This completes the Farmers Insurance Bill Pay setup through the online portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.